Hi, hello. Welcome to another video from Mindful Eating. My name is Miss Carla Thomas. I'm a trained chef. Thank you for joining the channel today. Now, I'm making a crumble recipe. As you know, crumble is normally served hot, but I'm doing it in a cold manner. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to basically, we've got some sliced bananas here. I don't know if you can see it just here. Some sliced bananas. There we are. And we are just going to add it just in here like this, and we're going to layer it. So if you can see here, I'll give you a photo of it. There is the ramekin, and we're going to add some oats just in the middle of it there. We're going to add some yogurt. It could be any yogurt of your choice. Add a bit of yogurt here. We're going to add a bit of honey as well. Just a tiny smidgen of it. Just pour it over. There we go. Then we're going to add some more bananas again. And some more of the oats. And we're also going to add some more of the yogurt mixture again. And we're going to add some more of the honey. Let's pour it over. And then we are going to finish it off with another layer of the bananas. That. And then you can just top it off with some of the oats and a bit of the yogurt.